Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about source code and vision code in Business Center. Basically, we use the source and vision code in order to trace the posting in Business Center. I will show you how you can use the standard source code, because I understand that it's better to use the standard instead of change, but you have this option in Business Center. And also how you can create vision code, that is additional code that you can add in order to post your document in a way that you can check the data. Please subscribe my channel and add your comments. If you have any doubt about Business Center, please let me know. I am more than happy to answer any question that you may have. So let's go to Business Center and check how you can work with source code and vision code. Oh, okay. Here in Business Center, let's go to the setup and see how we can do this. So here in Finance, we have here the trail codes, and then we have the source code. Basically, here is the source code from Business Center. My recommendation here is like that you keep like that, because the system is already set up for that. So every posting in Business Center, you can check what is the origin of this posting. So that means if you post something via cost journal, you can check this later. Also, if you do this by general journal, like here, anyway, everything that you do here, you just need to maybe check this list, and in order for you to check where the data come from. Okay, so this is the source code. We also have a setup for that that you can check. So let's go and see how this works. Okay, this is my source code setup. So you can go and see a general journal, what is the code, and also for every posting here. So you can check the source code from sales, from purchase, from employees, inventory, research job, everything in Business Center. Now what we can do here, as the source code is something that is already available in Business Center, what we can do is create the vision code and explain how we can use the vision code in Business Center. So basically, let's click here. I already add like 3 vision code, but this is something that you can create a new. For example, I will add the 40, and I will say let's put here just example to see how you can create this in Business Center. And what we will do now is go to one general journal and see how I can define this in the header. That means how I can define this in the journal, and every post that I do in this journal we will have this vision code. Or also what we will do, we will go to the item journal, for example, and specify this in the lines. So that means that I can, in this case, I can use different vision code for every line. So let's do this. First, let's go to the general journal. Okay, here I create a batch name that is specific for reclassification. Let's see, in the end of the year, when you receive the audit, you are execute the audit process and they request you to do some reclassification. So you can use like that, one specific journal for this. And in this case, you can see here that I add the revision code that is reclassification. So let's open here just for you to see. In this way, every time that I use this journal, the system will assign this vision code. So let's do one posting and see how this works. Okay, so let's select this saving account. So let's put here okay, I will put here okay, and I will select the my miscellaneous account. Okay. In this case, I don't need to check in the line, but you always can add the visual code if you want. But in this case, as I define in the header, I don't need to check in the line because he is to guarantee that all everything that you post in this journal will have the reclassification 10. Okay, this way we just need to post. Okay, let's post. It was the G2. So let's find this posting and check the what happened. Okay, so let's go and check what we. So let's go here, 5 entries. My document number was 2. Okay, so let's check. So here we have the posting. Okay, and you can see here the revision code that I create, that is 10, that is the classification, and also the standard source code. That means that this data come from the general journal. Okay, this is a way to check. Now what we will do, in this case we specify the revision code directly. So let's go in the journal. Let's do this now in the line and see how we can do this. Okay, so in this case now let's go to the item journal. Okay, let's put here v-class, just for us to have here. I will use this item. Okay, and let's change here because I don't want a purchase, but a negative adjust. I will say just one. I have the cost, so I don't need to specify. And let's put a second line just for us test. Also, same value. And what I will do here, you can see that I don't have the Navision code, and in this case okay, yeah, there in the table, this. He is just to show that for this journal I don't have a specific Navision code, because the idea here is to define this in the line. So in this case here I don't have the Navision code visible, so it's something that we need to add. So let's go here, there's my lines, and then what we need to do here is add more filters here. So we need to find here a Navision code. Okay, here is my filter, so my field, so let's put here. Okay, Navision code is here, so let's done, and then I can assign. Okay, here is my Navision code. What I will do, I will say that the first is for inventory difference, and the second is because bad quality. So in this case I'm doing a negative adjust into a 10 desk because this is right. So I'm posting with the clocks, and let's post. Okay, and then what we can do now is check this this posting. We can go directly to the item and check this. So let's do this here. Class. Okay, so we have the GL entry and we have the item legend entry. As what we need to check is the Navision code. The GL entry is the best to do this. So you can see here that you have the Navision code 30, bad quality, and also 20 that is inventory description, and the source code that is the standard from Business Center. Please let me know if you have any question, add your comment, and thank you, and see you next video.